Hi, my name is Miri Lenov, and I want to read you something. Let's see if this resonates with you. It struck me that her email assumes that I still remember who she is. But in amongst all the messages I had to read, I didn't have a clue of who she was. When I finally figured it out, that I did sign up for her emails, I wonder why she doesn't write more often. This is actually a message I received from a friend, a connection I have on LinkedIn. And she told me the story of somebody who she really admires, somebody who she really wanted to learn from. She signed up for her emails, and all of a sudden, she received an email from somebody who she didn't know who she was because it had been so long in between emails. She wasn't top of mind. She didn't know who that person was. She didn't know why she was emailing her until she understood. She said, "Oh, I signed up for her email list. What happened?" So, don't let that happen to you. Don't be the business that somebody has that look of uncertainty, that look of, why are you emailing me? I don't know you. Be top of mind. And here I'm gonna give you 3 things to make sure that you consistently email your audience. Number 1, be consistent in writing. What does that mean? Well, when you start to write, sometimes it can be a little difficult to start a conversation with yourself so that you can put things in writing. Well, I'm here to tell you that there's a way to make things even easier. When you start to write and you finally have your flow, why don't you continue to write more than 1 email at a time? Bulk writing. You write 5, 10 emails in one sitting with some breaks in between, but the flow keeps coming to you. You are more productive when you focus on one task at a time than having to switch in between tasks, because it takes about 15 minutes to get you to get used to the task that you're performing. So task switching doesn't allow you to focus. Task switching doesn't allow you to be productive. Same thing with emails. If you're able to sit down at one sitting and knock out 5 to 10 emails, you're gonna be very successful, and you're going to send more emails to your audience. Okay. Number 2, if you don't know what to write because simply you just don't know, write about what's coming up next. What are you doing in your business? What are some of the things and some of the tasks that you want to share with your audience? Maybe say something about a launch coming up next year, or a Thanksgiving offer that you're planning for them. Anything that will get you to start the conversation so people understand who you are and people can really get to know you and still have that connection. And number 3, news in the industry. Something super important happened with email marketing in the month of September and October when it came to the privacy settings of the Apple iOS update. That was something very important that I had to share with my audience. I did a couple of videos on them. You can do the same thing. News in your industry, things that are coming up that you want to share so that people can understand you and get to know you better. Email your audience. That's really the basic and the most important thing that you can do so that people are not wondering why they're getting these emails from you. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need any help with email marketing, and I hope that you can email your audience consistently. Not once a month, but maybe every week. You can do it. Bye-bye. See you next time.